This is amiable wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver 4K. Actually, it says no internet required, and it's good for commercial office. It offers a 4K HD transmission. You can do it on home theater and multi-device mirroring. Let's open the package. This is the one. And this is another one. Let's see what else. Oh, it got a bunch of stuff right here. So this is the user manual. So this is the transmitter and this is the receiver. They got HDMI cable. The cable quality is pretty good. You got a USB-C port for the power connection. There are two power cords in this package. The one with the antenna, and this is for the receiver. And another one, the power cord is USB to USB-C, is for the transmitter. And here are the two different adapters. And the surface is metal, really good quality. The receiver is this one, it says RX, and on the receiver you need this antenna on it. HDMI cable into here. So from the TV side it says just a single click to select the language. Press for 2 seconds to enter the operation. Press for 2 seconds. Now I'm holding. Okay. Now I'm going to plug in the power cable into my computer. So this USB is for the power of the transmitter. Now it start to flash in again. Let's see what's happening. Alright. So now the TV goes to, I think they consider this is the second screen. So I think from the setting it can mimic, can duplicate the same stuff. Let's see how to set it up. Arrangement, mirror displays. Okay, now you see works perfectly. I didn't use Wi-Fi, it just worked like magic. Perfect. And now I want to make another test. This is the monitor, Ninja 5. So usually this is the monitor for cameras. HDMI cable to the here. Plug in the USB for the power. Alright, to see what's going to happen. Okay, it shows the same information on the screen. Push the button. Can't believe it, it actually works. Alright, let me do something like really crazy. I don't think it's gonna work. I unplug this one from the computer. Now I plug this one into the camera. Now let's see what it can see. What? So I can't believe it. This is the camera. I just plug this one into the camera and then shows on the screen. So you see on the screen right here, it said receiver alone can work with iOS and Android. And my phone is Android. Let's see how it works. So it says Samsung or Huawei, and here is the Samsung. It's the smart view. So let's see where's smart view. So you just put on the menu, and on the second page here is the smart view. Right here. So you tap the smart view and it started looking for devices. It says select device to mirror your phone screen or play content. So here is RX BF19E58D exactly showing right here. And you tap this, it says start mirroring. Yes, start now. And it says connecting. Alright. Just let you know that you still need to open your Wi-Fi in order to connect into your TV, but actually you don't need a Wi-Fi signal. You just need to open the Wi-Fi itself. So let's see, what if I just open an app? Yeah, the app works no problem. because I just don't have Wi-Fi. So basically there's no delay, right? It's very fast, very accurate, and very convenient. So once it pairs up, so next time you don't need to actually set up, it's just there all the time with you. The aimable wireless HD kit is very capable. It doesn't require the internet or Wi-Fi at all. It just uses its own wireless transmitter. It can transmit 4K image. I would test like from phone to TV, monitor, and from camera to monitor, from computer to monitor, like everything. Even you can do it with the projector, but I don't have the project. I can't do the test here. And especially if you are if you're working, need to do a lot of presentation, or if you're a student, you just need to pair these two things together. You don't need to mess with the Wi-Fi in the new environment. Every time I meet somebody, I will always take my computer with this set. So if we meet in the office room, if there's a bigger screen, like a big TV, I just plug it in and play. In that way that everybody can see from the bigger screen instead of my small laptop. And at home, I can use it no matter if I'm filming, or everybody can enjoy the Netflix on the TV. So basically using this like every day. It looks a little bit complicated at first, but actually it's pretty easy. When you set it up once, every time gonna be very easy to use. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.